In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore Facebook dating after deleting. Keep in mind that once a Facebook dating profile is deleted, it cannot be recovered due to privacy policies. You will need to create a new one, but you still are able to get access to the Facebook dating features. Let me show you guys how. So the first thing you want to do is you want to confirm eligibility. Ensure you're 18 or older and in a region where Facebook dating is available, such as the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, etc. Anyways, guys, in order to verify your birthday, what you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on your profile picture just like so. Then you want to go ahead and press on the settings icon that is next to like the magnifying glass. Then you want to go ahead and press on see more and account center. Then you want to go ahead and scroll down and then press on your information and permissions. Then from here, you guys will be able to go ahead and access your birthday, and you want to go ahead and just update it. Make sure that it actually does represent your actual age. And of course, you need to be over 18 in order to use Facebook dating. So if you need to go ahead and change it for whatever reason, all you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on edit, then go ahead and just change your birthday. So also what Facebook does is that it imposes a 7-day waiting period before you can create a new Facebook dating profile. So if you just recently deleted your Facebook dating profile, wait 7 days from the deletion date, and then you should be able to go ahead and have access to all of its features. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.